Tip 33. Want to do feature engineering within a column transformer or pipeline? Step 1, selecting existing function or write your own. Step 2, convert it to a transformer using FunctionTransformer. And step 3, celebrate, of course. So what is this all about? Because for most people, this looks completely foreign because FunctionTransformer is not well known. So here is the background. If you are doing machine learning, it is optimal for you to do all of your data preprocessing within scikit-learn. Why would that be? Well, there are many reasons. I talk about them at length in my latest machine learning course, but here are some of the reasons to do your preprocessing in scikit-learn. Number 1, it prevents data leakage. And that's a big topic unto itself. I talked about this some in tips 4 and 5, so check those out if you want. Another reason to do your preprocessing with scikit-learn, well, that makes it easy to apply the same preprocessing to new data that you're going to make predictions for. And another reason to do data preprocessing in scikit-learn is you can tune all of your preprocessing with grid search. So if you are currently doing some of your data preprocessing in pandas and you want to move it to scikit-learn, the first thing you would do is look for a function purpose-built to do that. So if you're doing get dummies in pandas, you would use one-hot encoder in scikit-learn instead. If you're doing imputation in pandas, you would use one of the imputers in scikit-learn, and so on. But if you need to use a custom transformation, there's a different way you'll have to do that. So basically, this tip is if you have some function that you want to do to preprocess your data before using it for machine learning, and that's not natively available in scikit-learn, I'm showing you how to do it in scikit-learn. And the process is taking a function and converting it to a transformer, because scikit-learn works with specific types of objects, and there are estimator objects, which are like usually models, and transformer objects, which do data transformations, okay? So if you have a function that's not available in scikit-learn natively, you can make it available to scikit-learn by converting the function to a transformer. And that's what FunctionTransformer does. It converts functions to transformers. So here are some examples. I've got this NumPy function clip, and I want to clip values from 100 to 600. I take the clip function and I convert it with these arguments into a transformer called clip values. In this second example, I take this custom function, which takes a data frame and applies string slicing, and I convert that arbitrary custom function into a transformer called getFirstLetter. And now that I've created those two transformers, I can put them in a column transformer just like anything else you can put in a column transformer, like a vectorizer or a one-hot encoder or an imputer or whatever, okay? So that's the power here, is being able to take any function, turn it into a transformer, put that in a column transformer, and now your column transformer can go in a pipeline, and all your feature engineering is being done in scikit-learn instead of pandas. And here's just an example of applying that transformation using the fit-transform method. So we're clipping fair, and then we're extracting the first letter from code and deck.